Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a modular star. So this is a traditional model, but it's also a modular model. So in this one, we're going to fold 6 symmetrical modules, be 3 of each color. Then we'll put them all together and it'll make one big star like this. And for that, I'm going to be using 6 different sheets of kami. Just the standard origami paper. I'm going to try making one with pink and black. We're going to start with just one module. And to do that, we're going to start with the colored side up. Now we'll valley fold in half along the horizontal and the vertical. So we'll take the top edge and line it up with the bottom edge. Just make sure that lines up corner to corner. Then crease it all the way across. And then unfold. Now bring the right edge over to the left edge. Crease that down. And then unfold. Now turn the paper over. Now we'll valley fold along both of the diagonals. We'll bring the top right corner down to the bottom left corner. And crease that corner to corner. And then unfold. And now bring the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. And then unfold. Next, we're going to form all of those creases at the same time. So we're going to bring these 2 sides in down to the bottom. And then as you do that, you can flatten out the triangle on top. And then crease everything down. Then it should look like this. There's 2 flaps on the right and 2 flaps on the left here. This is what's called a waterbomb base. Now we just need to fold 5 more of these. So I'm going to fold 2 more pinks and then 3 blacks. Now I have all 6 modules here. Now we're going to start assembling them. So we're going to take one of each color. Now with this pink one, I'm going to hold it so there's 2 flaps right here. And you'll notice that there's 2 holes on the black one. We're going to insert a flap into each of those holes like this. Then you'll push that all the way in. Just slide it in as far as it goes. And then set that to the side. And do that again. Just make sure you're sliding the same color in. I'm going to slide the pink into the black again. Set it aside. And one more time. Now I have all 3 of those. Next, I'm going to take just one. And we'll look at this from the top. You'll notice there's a little pocket here. If you open that pocket up, then we're going to take these 2 points and bring them to meet each other as we open that pocket. Now that they've met each other, we'll just flatten everything, making some new creases. Now we'll do that with the next one. Just open up that pocket. Bring those points together and press it all down firmly. And do it with the last one. Now we have 3 that look like that. Now we're going to take 2 of those. And this time, we're going to insert the black flaps into the pink ones. It'll be just like the step before, but using the opposite colors. Into those little pockets. Okay, then once you've slid that in, we're going to open up that pocket up above, just like before, then squash it down. Now grab the other one and do the same thing. Insert the black into the pink. And then squash it. Now we need to do that one more time. This one's a little more difficult. You might need to round the paper a little bit. Get those started and then just keep wiggling and sliding until it makes it all the way in. Then open it up. Squash it. Just have to get your fingers in there. A lot of the other layers will be in the way. But once you've done that, then you're all done. It should look like this. You can just even them out in different parts. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.